keep in mind that pagan is an umbrella term that covers various different religions, faiths, and systems of belief. If you look in the dictionary, it's just going to tell you that paganism is, pretty much any religion that doesn't fall under one of the major religions being, Buddhism, Judaism, Christianity, so on and so forth. I have heard paganism be defined in many different ways. My personal views of it is that paganism is usually going to involve the worship of nature in some way. Oftentimes it's a belief in polytheism or animism, but not always. Usually it involves some form of witchcraft, but again, just like not all witches are pagans, not all pagans are witches. And yeah.